Imagine cruising through city streets or rolling down a peaceful countryside road. But instead of a car or an RV, you're pedaling your own little house on 3 wheels. That's exactly what Cyr envisioned when he created the Camper Tricycle, a unique, fully functional, pedal-manivelled micro-home that defies conventional travel norms. This ingenious fusion of art, sustainability, and adventure has captivated design enthusiasts, urban explorers, and dreamers alike. Cyr, an artist known for his fascination with vehicles and mobile living spaces, took inspiration from both urban nomadic culture and the growing tiny home movement. He wanted to create something that stood out from the ordinary, something that challenged the idea of what a home could be. And so he built the Camper Tricycle, a human-painted mobile shelter that's as quirky as it is practical. At first glance, the Camper Tricycle might seem like something straight out of a futuristic survivalist's dream, but look closer and you'll see that every detail has been meticulously thought out. The tricycle itself is sturdy, built to carry the weight of the camper structure while remaining mobile. Unlike a traditional bicycle, the 3-wheel design provides stability, ensuring that riders don't have to worry about balance when they stop or take sharp turns. Now let's talk about the camper portion. Despite its compact size, the camper is surprisingly functional. The structure is crafted from lightweight materials, ensuring that it doesn't add unnecessary bulk. The interior is small but well-deemed, with enough room for a single person to sleep, store essentials, and even sit upright comfortably. Inside, you'll find built-in storage compartments for food, clothes, and travel necessities. A small mattress or sleeping pad transforms the tiny space into a cozy retreat after a long day of pedaling. What makes the Camper Tricycle even more fascinating is its potential for off-grid living. While it doesn't have built-in solar panels or a full-fledged kitchenette, it's easy to customize. Enthusiasts have imagined adding small, foldable solar panels, portable cooking gear, and even tiny ventilation systems to make it even more livable. Imagine stopping by a quiet lakeside, setting up a small outdoor cooking station, and enjoying the simplicity of mobile, self-sufficient living. One of the biggest appeals of Cyr's creation is the statement it makes about mobility and sustainability. In an age where people are constantly looking for alternative ways to live, travel, and reduce their carbon footprint, the Camper Tricycle offers an eye-opening perspective. It's not about speed or luxury. It's about slowing down, being mindful of one's surroundings, and embracing the minimalist lifestyle. Of course, like any unconventional concept, the Camper Tricycle has sparked a lot of curiosity and debate. Some people see it as an art piece, a representation of urban survival, or a critique of modern consumerism. Others genuinely see it as a practical alternative for eco-friendly travel, or even emergency housing solutions. Whatever the interpretation, one thing is for sure: it challenges the way we think about movement, shelter, and self-sufficiency. For city dwellers, the idea of a pedal-powered camper might sound impractical, especially with traffic, weather, and urban space limitations. But for those with a taste for adventure, the Camper Tricycle offers an entirely new way to explore. Imagine embarking on a slow-paced journey through scenic backroads, stopping wherever and whenever you please. No need for hotel bookings or gas stops, just you, your pedals, and the open road. Cyr's Camper Tricycle is also a fascinating piece in the world of art and design. It has been featured in galleries and exhibitions, admired not just for its functionality, but for its bold, creative vision. It's a reminder that art isn't just something to be observed. It can be something you live in, something you move with, something that interacts with the world in a tangible way. And let's talk about its potential for customization. Since the concept is so simple yet innovative, it invites DIY enthusiasts and builders to put their own spin on it. Some might experiment with different materials to make it even lighter, while others could integrate more features like a tiny fold-out table, additional insulation, or even a retractable roof for better ventilation. The possibilities are endless. It also sparks conversations about the future of sustainable transport. With rising fuel prices and increasing concerns about climate change, could concepts like the Camper Tricycle become more common? Could we see a future where pedal-powered micro-homes become part of a new urban landscape? Maybe not in the mainstream sense, but as an alternative lifestyle choice. It's definitely a compelling idea. Of course, the Camper Tricycle isn't for everyone. It requires effort, patience, and a willingness to embrace a slower, simpler way of traveling. It's not built for speed, and it certainly won't provide the comforts of a full-sized RV. But for those who appreciate creativity, sustainability, and the art of unconventional living, it's a masterpiece on wheels. Cyr has shown the world that sometimes the most innovative ideas come from thinking outside the box. The camper tricycle challenges the norms of what a vehicle or a home should be, proving that with a little imagination, mobility and shelter can take on entirely new forms. Whether seen as a piece of functional art, a potential eco-friendly travel solution, or just a wild experiment in design, it's something that sparks curiosity and inspiration. So, the next time you see a camper van cruising down the highway or a cyclist zipping through the city, imagine combining the two. Imagine a world where people pedal their homes from place to place, embracing the journey as much as the destination. It's an idea that might seem far-fetched, but thanks to Cyr and his camper tricycle, it's one that's already rolling forward.